My journey isn't at all perfect, but I'm doing it anyway. Hello, hello, and welcome back to Journey to Balance, Portia's 4-month fast track. Today is day 83. Up day is the best day, baby. My muscle mass went down. I should know I haven't been working out as much as I was supposed to. I lost 1 pound, 1.3 pound of muscle mass. That's not good. Whew. Now we're ready. I showed up, you guys. Workout complete. And there's the rainbow. The door's not as heavy as it was, but I showed up, you guys. I showed up. My workout is done. It was a beautiful day, beautiful workout. I met a lovely woman, Kim, while I was in the locker room, but I can't film in there. About to go pick up some lovely little groceries. I should have just done a pickup. Something told me to do a pickup, but I didn't. So now I'm going in. Y'all, today was a really good day. I was not expecting to have an amazing workout like I did. My workouts have not really been feeling as successful as this one did. I was like, I don't know why I'm being so intense, as successful as this one did. No, but my workouts haven't been feeling as successful or rewarding as this one did. After this workout, I was exhausted. I felt like, oh my God, my endorphins are through the roof, baby, because I feel so confident. I feel so good. I feel so energized, even though I'm tired at the same time. I had to go back to this story, you guys. That yogurt from last episode was so nasty. I was thinking maybe I could use it in a smoothie one day in the future, so I'll keep it for now, but it's just not my cup of tea, baby, so I gotta stick to what I know. But honestly, the honey vanilla is so much better than the plain. The plain is actually pretty gross, but it got the job done with the almond butter, so I'll take it. Day 84, down day, fasting day. It's only 7:15 and I'm already ready to go to sleep. So I'm about to take a shower, take my magnesium glycinate because it does make me even more sleepy. And I'm gonna go to sleep and try to wake up at 4 in the morning. They say that we are more productive when we go to sleep early and wake up early. See, me, I'm a night owl. I like to go to sleep late and wake up late. But I want to change, so let's see if I can. Wish me luck. I already know I'm gonna eat a bagel with egg and Morningstar or Beyond Meat sausage and cream cheese for breakfast. Ugh, I want it now. Y'all, today I edited my butt off. I was like, I must get caught up. I must get where I need to be so that I can stop feeling so rushed and feeling so behind. I don't like feeling that way. I like to be on top of things. But during this journey, so many occurrences have set me back a little bit. And I find myself like chasing my goals to get back to where I want to be so that I'm just chilling on it and putting more time into my craft. I want to get back to making music, you guys. I haven't been making music for a while because I've just been editing, and filming. That's really all I've been doing lately. But the reason why I said my journey is not perfect, but I'm doing it anyway, is because I have not been making the best choices in food, but I'm still on my journey. Thank God I haven't been gaining weight. I'm still going strong, you guys. And hopefully this meal that I ate this episode will kick me back into ketosis. We'll see. Time will tell. But as I've said so many times before, I'm not just doing this for myself to go back and watch what I did to lose weight. That is one of the reasons I do want to go back and watch it and see how did I accomplish this goal finally. But it's for you guys, people who actually want to go on their own journey, or even people who just want to be entertained. I'm filming this series for you guys so that we can all see my journey and all go along with me and see how did I finally lose the weight. And I truly really hope it's helping somebody. I hope that someone has started their own journey. I've had 2 people tell me that they actually started. I hope they're still going strong. I check on them and they're like, yeah, it is what it is. And I'm like, I hope you're still going strong, but I won't be disappointed if you're not. It's okay to start over and pick it back up as you can, because we can't be too hard on ourselves. We really have to get our mind right first. Even with me, I've been telling them I haven't been eating healthy food this whole journey, but what I do is 0 calorie down days, baby. I will stick to my 0 calorie down days because that is the only thing that I feel is getting me through this huge setback of eating whatever I want while I'm on a 4-month fast track. But thank you guys so much for watching. Whether you're returning or whether you're new, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. And I can't wait for you to see the next episode. Peace.